Hello my friends, this is Sylvie Curry, Lady of Q. Today I'm going to be doing a little experiment. I'm going to be browning some flour. Yes. In the past I've taken regular all-purpose flour, put it on a baking sheet, put it in the oven, and browned it. And that way when I go to make a roux, I already have the flour that has been cooked or browned, and it goes much quicker to make a roux. Today I'm going to be doing the same process, however, I'm going to be trying it on a gluten-free flour. Let's see if this is going to work. Come on with me, let's brown some gluten-free flour. This is a very simple process. The only pieces of equipment that I need is a baking sheet, which I've lined with some parchment paper. I've got an offset spatula, and that's just to even out the flour on the baking sheet, a measuring cup, and my all-purpose flour. I'm going to be taking, I'll start off with 1 cup of flour and lay that out over my baking sheet and try to get it even as possible so that it'll be more even baking. During the course of browning it, I'm going to be stirring it a little bit, but minimal stirring compared to making a roux and trying to burn the flour, or brown the flour rather. I've got the flour evenly spread out over the baking sheet. I'm going to now put it in the oven. I've got my oven set for 350 degrees, and we'll bake it till it's a brown color that I think will make a great roux. This is my flour. It's been in the oven. It's been in here about 1 hour and 45 minutes. And even though it doesn't look very brown to you, it is. When you add a little bit of, and I've taken a little bit of it and add some water to it, and the color comes out. It's still not as deep as I would like it to be, so I'm going to continue to bake it a little while longer. This is my gluten-free flour, which I baked for approximately 2 hours. I had it in 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And even though it looks light here, once I mix it with the oils and stuff, the color is going to be much darker. This is my gluten-free flour that I baked. And you can see that lovely dark mahogany color that I got. And I don't have to go through the effort of stirring and trying to brown this and trying to keep it from burning just by simply baking the flour in the beginning.